Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on the KNIME workflow for APAC SAP ALGs automated stock reports. In this video, we are going to walk through the essential first-time setup process. Before you can run the workflow for the first time, there are a few mandatory configurations we need to establish. Setting these up correctly now will ensure your reports pull data accurately and run smoothly every time moving forward. To start using the KNIME workflow, first, please go to the shared folder linked in the APAC SAP ALGs Complete Manual. Now, please download the .knwf file. This is the KNIME workflow we will import to your local KNIME workspace later. Inside the folder, you will also find the 0.sap ALGs inventory report Google Sheet file. This is the file where all input data and output data will be updated and used in our KNIME workflow. Please make a copy of this file and save it to your My Drive. After that, open your KNIME software. We will now import the downloaded workflow into your local KNIME workspace. Go to the Home tab, select your local space folder, then click Import Workflow. Browse to find the downloaded file, and click Open. Once that is done, you will see the new workflow appear in your local space. Let's go ahead and double-click to open it up. And this is exactly how the main interface looks like. On the left-hand side are the configuration nodes that we need to set up, while on the right are the automatic nodes for each SAP T-code automatic data download. Before we start configuring our workflow, let's go back to the copied Google Sheet file named 0.sap.algs.inventory report. You need to input the correct information related to your subsidiary so that NEMO will use this information for later SAP automatic data extraction. Take your time to locate the highlighted yellow boxes, as these are the exact fields suggested to be updated accordingly. Once done, please go back to your KNIME software, and now we will start the first-time setup. Firstly, please go to the Google Authenticator node and click Login. Once clicked, your internet browser will automatically open up. From there, please allow KNIME to access your Google Drive. When you see the message, the authentication process is officially completed. You can now go safely back to KNIME, click Apply, and execute. Next step, you will need to configure the Google Sheets Reader node so that it reads the 0.sap ALGs inventory report test Google Sheet file that you have just copied to your drive. When configuring this node, please make absolutely sure you select the specific sheet named KNIME inputs. After that, go ahead and execute the node. You will instantly see the freshly updated data successfully read and displayed by the node. Now, we need you to type in your official SAP ID and your passwords into the variable creator nodes. KNIME will securely use your user ID and passwords to automatically log into the PP1 and PG1 systems later in the process. Once you are completely done entering your credentials, click Execute. Finally, you just need to define the folder path for all of the extracted files coming from SAP. We highly suggest locating this folder directly in your local C drive instead of Google Drive to completely avoid any synchronization errors. Once this path is set and applied, all of your extracted report files will be safely saved into this designated location. Now, your first time setup is completed. Please remember to save your workflow before moving on. Now, let's run the workflow for the very first time. Please click anywhere on a blank space in the workspace. Then click Reset All, and then click Execute All. The KNIME process will now start automatically. KNIME will automatically using your SAP ID and passwords to log in to PG1 and PP1 and extract the data. If the nodes are running correctly, you will see their status indicators turn green. For the meta nodes, you will see the green ticks appear. Play buttons mean KNIME is still running, while yellow or red dots mean errors. The raw data extracted from SAP will be saved directly into the local folder that you defined earlier. Finally, when all nodes are turned green or ticked, the completely processed report will be updated into the copied Google Sheet file named 0.SAP Inventory Report Test, which is saved in your drive and is completely ready for further usage. Once those configurations are saved, your workflow is ready to use. Thank you for taking the time to complete this setup, and let's continue to leverage these tools to make a real difference in our data processing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.